So we have about an inch of sleet and hail in the backyard. Open up the doors to let the girls stretch their wings. July is the only one that is brave enough to come outside and do what she normally does, eat ice. The other two are right there. Come here, girls. Hey, you. Yeah, you're all puffed up. I know it's cold. Not as cold as a couple weeks ago, but it is 34 degrees outside. The other two definitely don't want to come out. So, I'm gonna go put suet in for the wild birds because they are completely out. Unfortunately, I only have one. And then I'm gonna give them their snacks for the evening. Come here, July. Come here, July. You're the only one that wants to come out. Come here. Alright. Hope everyone has a good evening and a safe and happy Super Bowl Sunday.